In today's fast-paced world, many women carry the weight of responsibilities, expectations, and constant pressure. Between work, family, and personal commitments, it's easy to lose connection with ourselves. Women's Wellness Space is about creating a space where women can pause, breathe, and reconnect with their inner strength through a supportive community of women. It's not only about physical health, but also about emotional balance, mental clarity, and spiritual well-being. It is also about honoring the whole woman, body, mind, and spirit. It focuses on nurturing well-being of women by encouraging healthy habits, self-awareness, and self-care practices to support a woman's unique life journey and to live with greater vitality and harmony. Please join a Women's Wellness Space, which is a program designed to empower and support women.
And doing household things and not really taking care of myself. And when I was introduced to meditation, I began seeing myself in a different light. And I began to like myself and see possibilities as a woman that I can fulfill in my lifetime. And since then, I have been able to do absolutely everything that I want and need to do. And meditation is the best way for a woman to find herself, love herself, and express herself out there in the community. And I guess that's what I want to tell you, is that it is wonderful.
With this practice, I learned to know myself. I learned to take care of myself and accept myself. I know now better the things that I am good at, the things that I can train and be better at, and the things where I have limitations, and I'm okay with that. I don't have to be good at everything. So this practice not only let me reflect on myself, but also give me happiness, because I don't have to be stressed or worried for something that I cannot be good at or I cannot do. I can just simply be myself and try my hardest and be the person that I want to be. Having this time to reflect on myself every day, journaling, and practice this beautiful meditation, it's indeed the greatest gift that we can give to ourselves.